ファイトお Okay, guys, let's get ready for a 7-minute standing abs workout. This is for beginners and requires no equipment whatsoever. Do this anytime and anywhere. Let's get started. So we'll be doing intervals of 50 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Just listen for the timer and get ready. Alright, so the first move is a torso twist. Twist to the side, feeling a stretch along the side of your belly. Squeeze and keep your navel tucked in and twist your torso back to the center. Keep repeating from side to side. Alright, next up are knee lifts. Keep that core engaged and lift those knees as high up as you can. Come on, you can do this. Next up, side bend. Keep your belly tucked in. Bend to the side and work your side abs. Squeeze hard to lift your torso back up. Keep pushing, you're doing awesome. Keep working hard, guys. We're already past the halfway point of the workout. Standing bicycle crunch. Try touching the opposite elbow with your knee. Crunch those abs and feel the burn. You're doing great. Keep it up. Next up, side to side chop. Draw a half circle, crunching your abs at the bottom and reaching to the top of the other side, feeling a stretch in the abs. Keep alternating sides. You got this. Star toe touches. Arms and legs out in a star position. You're going to touch opposite toes. I'm not very flexible, so if you're the same, feel free to bend that kicking leg if needed. And if you can't touch your toes, that's okay. Just try your best. Ten more seconds, you guys. Finish strong. Yay! Good job, everyone. You guys did awesome. If you like this workout and want to see more, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.